Hi everyone, we are at World of Trading Frankfurt, Germany. 2 days trading conference full of traders.
It has been 5 years since we have been here for the last time. Last time we had a super small stand. Everyone thought that we are selling t-shirts.
Nobody knew about prop trading. Today we have like 2-floor stand with 16 people, crowded by the people.
We are meeting new people. We are also meeting our current clients, speaking about the business, about trading.
We also had contest, an FTMO quiz. They could win a lot of prizes, so I believe everybody was super excited.
Me and Marek, we did a presentation about history of FTMO.
So we were explaining how we actually came up with the idea of prop firm, and it was crowded, it was amazing.
Wir hatten heute hier bei der World of Trading 2 Seminare, bei denen wir unseren Kunden mehr über unsere FTMO-Tools erzählt haben. Ebenfalls haben wir das Thema des Risikomanagements behandelt, welches natürlich für jeden Trader von entscheidender Bedeutung ist, um natürlich langfristig im Trading erfolgreich zu sein.
It's great to be here in Germany because we kind of started in Germany. It's our main market, so it's amazing to see everybody around.
5 years ago, no one knew prop trading, and nowadays you can see the expo is a lot about it. It's booming. It is great that we are the leader in the industry, and we will do everything in our power to keep it that way.